How to fade out audio in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to go ahead and open our effects tab right here. If you don't see this one, go ahead and click the window and then go ahead and make sure to toggle effects. Now, from here, what you are going to do is basically look for the audio transitions, and then we're going to hit crossfade. And from here, there are three options that we can use, but the one that I mostly use is the exponential fade. So you can just go ahead and drag this one until something like this comes up or pops up, and then basically drag or put it here. Now, after doing so, you can go ahead and listen to it. So this is how it is going to sound. And another thing that you can do is to adjust this one. You can do that by just dragging this one, just like what I have here. And you can go ahead and basically listen to it. And that is how to fade out audio on Premiere Pro.